The best way to start Radiant is from RStudio. So I'm assuming here that you've successfully installed Radiant following the install instructions on the documentation site, and you have, of course, RStudio installed. So let's start RStudio. And if you have a recent version, then there will be an add-ins menu. If you click on the add-ins menu, there'll be a number of different options. Now, the only ones you should care about are the one here, Radiant, which will start the application, and Update Radiant, which will update the application to its latest version. If for some reason this menu doesn't contain any entries, just click on Browse Add-ins, and then you should see Radiant and Update Radiant available here. All right, and then just click Execute. All right, so let's start Radiant. When you click that, it actually issues a command and starts Radiant up in your web browser. All right, so that was easy enough. Now, suppose that I've been doing some analysis. Let's say I created some plots or something, and now I want to stop. Well, before you stop, of course, you should think about, well, do I need to save any of these analyses? Do I need to create a report? If you do want to save the state or save the work that you've been doing, I would recommend that you save the state. But suppose that you just want to stop. There's nothing that you really need to save. So then, of course, you could just close your browser. But in this case, what you'll be doing is the equivalent of a crash in Word and using that as a way to save your documents. That doesn't work overly well. Now, it'll try to save what you've been working on, but again, not overly reliable. So again, if you want to save the information that you've been working on, then I would recommend that you click on the floppy disk icon and save state. However, if you want to do a clean stop, click on the power icon and click stop. Now, if you're using Chrome, that'll actually close the browser tab. Go back to RStudio, you'll notice that it says it has stopped the Radiant application. It actually does have the state available. So RData and RState are two lists with information, and the state of the application is available in there. So suppose we actually do want to start things back up again, we'll be back off exactly where we left off. All right, so if I want to stop, go ahead and just click the stop icon and you'll be done.